There's something off about this denim jacket. Can you spot it? Compared to the original, it's missing some features. One less button, no pocket flap, stitching all over the place. This isn't some cheap knockoff. This jacket was mass-produced by Levi's in the 1940s. Here's what happened. At the height of World War II, America's manufacturing industry pivoted to support the war effort. Metal became scarce, skilled craftspeople were recruited to make military gear. So, Levi's had to make compromises. Buttons were reduced, pocket flaps were removed, quality control suffered. They even hollowed out the button shanks to save metal. These were called donut buttons. Now, most of these compromises disappeared once the war was over and the jacket returned to its original form. The pocket flaps came back, the details were restored, but something had changed. Not the jacket itself, but the design language around it. Over the following decades, the donut button had become part of the visual vocabulary of workwear. So much so that over 80 years later, when we designed our own workwear and we had access to every button style we wanted, we picked the donut option. Not because we're trying to reference anything specific. Honestly, we didn't even know its full history at the time. It just felt right. Looking back now, understanding where it all came from, the choice makes a lot more sense. Because this story isn't really about a button or a denim jacket. It's a story about how timeless design often emerges from constraint. During the war, Levi's had to hollow out their buttons to save metal. They had no other option. And in this era of abundance, where there are endless options to design with, sometimes the best move isn't to add more, it's to cut away the excess and only keep what's necessary.